wanted you guys to join me on how I prep for a lot of my open houses. So, one of the things that you're going to notice is that I actually bring my own table. I have a table cover here. I bring my own chairs. That's over there. So when I have a loan officer or insurance person or a partner, another agent, work with me, I tend to bring 2 chairs to every open house. I also bring a couple other things. So I have a welcome registry sign that folds out, and this all goes into my box here. I also am an affiliate for home membership. You can get a home warranty through home membership. And if you're interested, you can just hit me up. So I leave that on my table. I also have Buying Your First Home Guide. I have several how to buy your home guides here, okay? So what I do is I put those on the table. My open house registry here, which goes here, and I encourage everyone to sign. I also have another version of my home buyer guide. These can leave with the client or with someone who is like, hey, I'm interested, maybe not now. Here, take this as some information, and this may or may not go in the trash with them later. However, it's a really good piece that can go with them and remind people of me and an experience that they can have, all right? And again, this is another buyer consultation guide that I have. So I have different designs of buyer consultation guides. This has this I put here. I also have a listing guide. Why I have a listing guide at an open house? Well, some buyers are actually sellers. So I tend to have selling guides that's available and listing guides so that I can have that for them as well. I have yet more buying guides that I've had produced here. I also have one of my favorite vendors, Margaret's Moving. So you can use Margaret's Moving if you're ever looking to move, and I think that's a really good idea and thought about as well. So that goes here. I also have a magazine that goes out to all of my past clients. If you've ever worked with me before, you may have recognized this magazine. I send it about 6 times a year, and you can have that experience as well when you become my client, right? So I'll put those on the table as well. Now, what else do I do? I also come prepared with a sign that says, hey, this is my open house, come on in case in case I'm not at the door to let them in, and I just leave this as a door hanger on the door, making sure that they can just come on in, no problem. I also have, you never know what kind of open house you're walking into or what type of property you're walking into, so I bring some smell good. This is from Bath, Bed, Beyond, whatever that place is, and so I just get some smell good, in every room, makes it pleasant, okay? Then you never know where you're going to be, or you never know who's going to test facilities or what I have to wipe, you know, whether it's a door, whether it's a door handle, whether it's a quick counter. So I like to just use some of this. It belongs in the bathroom. So, because you never know. And let's see here. Also, I do have a trusty box that I put everything in. And so I hope that helps you understand what goes in, what I do and what goes into having a great open house. Take care.